Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete applications on the Oppo A78. We got two methods. The first one, you can just open the app drawer and right now select the application that you want to remove. In my case it will be maybe the Lord's Mobile. So you have to click and hold and then click on uninstall and then just confirm. The second option, it's also very simple, but we have to go to the settings, select apps, go for the app management, find this application that you want to remove, and then click uninstall. Confirm by tapping right here. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.